Today on In the Shop with James, we build this beautiful farm-style end table, and you can too. Stick around and learn how. If you like this project, go to our website, intheshop.net, and find the cut lists and build sheets for all our related projects. We'll put a link in the description. Hi, I'm James, and welcome in the shop. Today, we're taking a break from doing shop organization, and we are actually going to build something. I can't wait. So, we're going to take that pile of 2x4s and turn it into an end table. A classic style end table. A farm style end table. Whatever you want to call it end table. But we're going to use inexpensive lumber to make some furniture. You want to see how we do it? Stick around and watch. So now we've got all of our boards cut down to length. It's time to rip each one of them to the specified dimension. In this case, just taking off an 1/8 inch from each side in order to get rid of that rounded off edge that the 2x4s are milled with. Ready to start attaching our top together. I've gone through and flipped over the boards after laying them out and picking the order I wanted them to lay in so that the finished surface on the other side, this would be the back side, has the look that I want it to for the end, or the best possible look with the lumber that we've got. This one actually would be backwards. There we go. Each one of these we're going to attach with pocket screws, and then we'll put a cross piece here and here that will help hold these together permanently and give us a nice finished top that will be sandable. While we will have seams, we want everything to kind of flow. We don't want big notches or things to get caught on it. So we want to make it as smooth as we can for still being a rough design and kind of rustic looking piece of furniture. Let's get our Kreg jig out and start drilling some pocket screw holes. Let's get to the next step. I'm using a 1/4 inch roundover bit here just to soften the edges on the router table. Today we're going to use dark walnut stain. I prefer to use a rag to apply this as opposed to brush and wipe off. It gives me a little more even coverage for this type of application. Time to start assembling the base. I'm leaving a 1/2 inch reveal from the legs to the cross piece. giving a little bit more definition. We now have a table base with legs. I'd also like to say this wall is working out great. I've got all my clamps here, I've got my Kreg jig hanging, I've got my screws. As I'm working on stuff, I just reach for it, use it, and when I'm done, it goes right back on the shelf. No clutter in the garage. It's awesome. Hey, thanks for joining us in the shop so far. If you like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button so you can see more of our videos. Stick around and we'll finish this up. To finish things off, a coat of poly on the top, and we're done. Thanks for joining us in the shop today. I hope you take the time to build yourself a nice farm-style end table for your home. Join us next week when we continue with our farm-style series. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more cool projects like this from us in the future. Thanks, guys. See you next time.